create an instance of Windows Server first because I don't have one. Okay. Okay. Use Asia Southeast. Oh, this one is expensive. Okay, use this one. I will use compute optimize. Okay, this one per hour. Okay, then change to Windows Server, and the version is, let's say, 12. Select. Okay. Okay. Create. Okay. Now we set up the password for this account. Okay, we have the password. Close. Then we get the RDP. Okay, we connect. And then we go in. Okay. The first thing is to have a Microsoft Edge as a browser so we can get things easier. Okay, close Microsoft Edge. Okay, install it, run, yes. Okay, now we have Microsoft Edge and we can start without data, confirm and start browsing. Okay, we go to, first thing we need is Git to download the sample files. Download for Windows. Click here. Okay, install. Yes. Okay, and the next thing we need is Python. We download Python 3.8.10. Okay, this one, I use this one because I use it the most. Okay, I install it. I will customize installation. This one is file install for all user and install. Yes. The next thing we need is Microsoft Word. try for free, and we will have Microsoft Word. Okay, now we can clone the repository here. Okay, now we have the folders here. Okay, we just wait for Microsoft to be ready. Okay, now it's ready, and we can run the command now. Okay, I'll start by go to the folder that we have files. Okay, we have Python. Okay, now we will create a virtual environment here. Okay, use this environment. Install the Comtype. Okay, so I think now we are ready to try it. We can run Python convert by Comtypes and see if it's work. Project, and yeah, it took like 9 seconds. Let's see our output. Yeah, we have it, and now it's PDF files. Please don't forget to delete the machine. It costs you some money if you follow my guide. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.